Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm with Tough Deck Builders Seattle, and today we're going to explore some simple deck upgrades that can make an older backyard feel new again. Maybe your deck isn't falling apart, but it's not exactly a space you're proud of either. The boards might be worn, the railings dated, or the layout just a little inconvenient. The good news is, you don't always need a full rebuild to see a big improvement. One of the biggest upgrades is resurfacing. If the structure underneath is solid, we can remove the old surface boards and replace them with new wood or composite decking. This can instantly change the look and feel of your deck, getting rid of splinters, trip hazards, and mismatched boards. Railings are another area where a change can go a long way. Strong, well-designed railings not only improve safety, but can also open up sightlines and make the space feel more modern. We often replace old, shaky railings with sturdier systems that are easier to grip and easier to maintain. Stairs are worth attention too. Adding a new set of stairs or improving an existing one can change how you move between the deck and the yard. Maybe you've always wished you could get down to the lawn from the other side of the deck. That's the kind of upgrade that can make the space more practical. Lighting might be the simplest upgrade of all. Step lights, post lights, and subtle accent lights can make your deck safer to use at night and more inviting without being flashy. These systems can often be added to existing decks with minimal disruption. If you're thinking ahead to a future pergola, covered area, or outdoor kitchen, some upgrades can be planned with that in mind. We might reinforce certain areas, run conduit, or adjust layouts so future additions fit more smoothly. If you look at your deck and think, "It's okay, but it could be better," you probably have upgrade options. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we can inspect your current structure and help you decide what kind of improvements make the most sense. You can reach us at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuilderseattle.com to get started. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle. Small, smart upgrades can go a long way toward a backyard that feels solid, safe, and more enjoyable to use.